Our newer toilets use significantly less water than older models, and which features actually make one model more efficient than another. Newer toilets generally use between 1.28 and 1.6 gallons per flush, compared with older models that often use 3.5 to 6 gallons per flush. So the simplest measure to check is the gallons per flush rating stamped in the bowl or on the manufacturer specification sheet. Look for toilets designed as high efficiency, which means they meet strict performance criteria while using 1.28 gallons per flush or less. These rely on optimized trapways, larger flush valves, and bowl geometry to move waste effectively without extra water. Dual flush toilets let you choose a partial flush for liquids and a full flush for solids, and that can cut average household water use noticeably if everyone uses the correct flush. The partial flush should be about half the volume of the full flush, but you should confirm the actual gallons per flush on the model. Consider bowl shape and trapway design because elongated bowls and wider, smoother trapways reduce clogging and improve siphon action, which reduces the need for multiple flushes. When replacing a toilet, check rough-in measurements, flange height, and whether the bathroom layout allows for an elongated bowl, since swapping sizes can require changing the flange or resetting the floor. For installation, use a new wax or wax-free ring, tighten bolts evenly to avoid cracking porcelain, and follow manufacturer torque recommendations for the seat and tank bolts to prevent leaks and misalignment. Common mistakes include choosing a toilet solely on low gallon ratings without checking actual performance, which leads to frequent double flushing. Test performance in reviews or in store demonstrations and pick models with good real-world waste removal. Another issue is mismatched rough-in or bowl size, which creates costly retrofit work. Measure the distance from the wall to the center of the drain and prefer models that match that distance or be prepared to reconfigure the flange. People also underestimate the importance of proper installation, which causes leaks or poor flushing. Hire a plumber for complex fits or follow step-by-step manufacturer instructions. Inspect seals after first few flushes, and keep an eye on the floor for moisture for at least a few days. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and contractors find work through an easy, searchable platform that connects project needs with service providers. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange experiences, model recommendations, and installation tips related to water-saving toilet upgrades.